अजून so yesterday we have discussed about the KVA billing. In especially particular KVA billing, we have discussed example of our institute academic building, which is charged as per KVA, and we have seen the billing structure of KVA for Institute Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar. You might have understood this thing, what readings are taken, KVA, KVAR, KVAR leading, KVAR lagging, then net KVA consumed, and then billing process, how bill is calculated. Any doubt regarding that? One more example of bill, ST bill for residential consumer, especially this is latest bill for government of Maharashtra Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar hostel. So this particular billing structure, so other things, consumer number, consumer name, address, these things are known to you. Then it is associated with bill date, then bill due date if paid up to, then incentive if paid after, then penalty, and then last date of the receipt of bill, previous bill, amount of bill, etc. It is mentioned over here. Then regarding the contact, mail, mobile, it is mentioned. Then a meter number, and then all things. Then tariff type is 92LT1, 92LT1A. If you go through the tariff structure of particularly the MERC order, which we have discussed quickly. No, you please don't disturb. Try to join as early as possible. Already I have extended by 10 to 15 minutes. Still people are joining after me, means you need not require. I will not allow anybody to join now. I have to always move from one screen to another screen. So it creates a lot of difficulty for me. You should understand now, we are quite familiar with online lectures. You must join. तुम्हाला तिथे येऊन थांबायचं आहे. मी तुम्हाला हिंट केलं की सगळे 60 जण आज झाले पाहिजे. मी एकदा हे केल्यानंतर मग कोणतरी हळूच मागून येतो. म्हणजे किती 9:10 मी टायमिंग दिलाय आणि आता जवळजवळ इट इज अराउंड 9:30, 9:35. तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही जर असं करत असाल तर इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. So 92LT1A, if you go through the MERC order, then you will get details about 92.1A tariff structure that is applied for institute, that is Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar. Contract demand 103 kilowatt, comes under urban area. Express feeder, if it is there, yes. It is not express feeder, so it is no. Then seasonal bill is there, it is yes. If it is no, then no. Seasonal bill means it is for temporary connection, so this is not the seasonal. Sanction load 103, so it is code particularly. Then you are having the other related official billing unit, etc. Official information for identification of the bill. Then date of connection is there. Then you are having the residential 3-phase category. Then you are having supply LT, electricity duty, security deposit, and all these things are mentioned. Then here you are having the summary of the bill, history of the bill. You are having right from April 2020 to March 21, and the current bill is for April 21. Okay. Then here the beneficiary, particularly if you want to pay online or something, you are having the information given, name of the account holder MSCDCL, then beneficiary account, then State Bank of India, then IFSC code, and all these things it is mentioned. So you can pay online. Some instructions related to new digital techniques it is given for consumer. You can pay online, you can pay by using credit card, debit card, you can use mobile app Mahavitaran, you can use website. So by any means you can pay directly through check. All this, there are various modes of payments are mentioned. Then reading, it is very important. Current consumption details that you are having as on 30th of April 2021. We are having this kilowatt rating, kVA rating, kVAH lagging, kVA leading, kilowatt demand and MVA demand. So these are the categories, previous and current. Okay. So previous MD, current MD it is mentioned, previous not mentioned. Other readings, previous and current are available. So difference is available with you. Difference is available with you. kVAH reactive, kVAH, kW 2100, kVA, that is you are having no difference over here, normally observed, so 00. Lag lead it is not mentioned, lag it is not there, lead is there, 109. Yes, you are having the power factor normally leading. This may be because of this now hostel is closed, and because of that you may have the power factor leading somewhat. Multiplying factor is always there, 1, here it is 1. Then consumption it is mentioned, kilowatt consumption, kilowatt means unit consumed. Now here see others are mentioned 0. If it is a kVAH billing, इथले आपण सगळे पॅरामीटर्स घेतो, but this is not kVA billing, this is kilowatt hour billing. So 2100 units are used, other things are mentioned 00. So this is because of this particular tariff applied for the this tariff 2092 LT 1 year. Okay. I have planned in my mind to change this tariff from 92 to government, because here it is not mentioned. Let us see, after lockdown I am going to write later. Somewhat here it is mentioned that it is a government institute, but no, there is no any particular that highlighting things like it is a government organization. म्हणजे हॉस्टेलसाठी जे की आपल्या याच्यासाठी आहे, कुठल्या फॉर इन्स्टिट्यूट इट इज देअर. सो वी विल ट्राय टू कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम KWH, म्हणजे सध्या इथं जे दिसतंय KWS ते KVA मध्ये कन्वर्ट करता येते का, त्याचा हॉस्टेलसाठीचा विचार तो करायचा आहे. ऑन ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह लेवल आय हॅव डिसाइडेड. लेट अस सी व्हॉट हॅपन्स इन फ्युचर. ओके, एनी डाउट अप टू दिस? Then you know the consumption. You know the consumptions. Then finally you are having this consumption and MD and kVA MD, kilowatt MD, kVA MD. These are the final readings available for your energy calculation. Okay. Then you are having this particularly the bill demand kVA 0. So you are having the at the rate of this. So bill demand demand charges are 2250. These are fixed because your kVA demand is 0. Addressed power factor average it is not mentioned. Bill power factor it is not mentioned. Okay. आता हे रीडिंग कदाचित त्याने घेतले नसावे. Then it is a residential units, it has been considered this number. Rate it has been considered 11.82, and energy charges is 22,807.82. Okay. Then commercial 00, commercial nahi hai. So energy charges mentioned. Billing charges at the rate of rupees 1.38 into number of units consumed, so wheeling charges, that is transmission system utilization charges, right? TOD tariff, TOD, that is particularly rate, time of zone tariff, 22 ते 6, 6 ते 9, 12 ते 18, unit consumed, demand and charges. So त्या कालावधीमध्ये you may have 00 charges applied. 00 काय येतं की कारण त्या वेळेला तेवढेच चार्जेस अप्लाय केलेले असतील, त्यामुळे चार्जेस मेन्शन हिअर 0, TOD is not applied, 0000. Then you are having this particular electricity duty, that is also 16% of the total bill, म्हणजे ती एवढी आहे. देन अदर चार्जेस काही नाही आहे, टॅक्स ऑन सेल काही नाही आहे, पॉवर फॅक्टर पेनल्टी, पॉवर फॅक्टर मेन्शनच नाही केला, 0 आलेला आहे. चार्जेस फॉर फिक्स डिमांड 00, डेबिट अमाउंट 00, टोटल करंट बिल 32,430. Okay, so principal arrears minus this something, you have to pay 32,430. If you have delayed the payment, it is then 32,830, right? Hello. Any doubt? आवाज येतोय का? मी विचारलंय काही शंका आहे का? सगळे मुख्य आहे, ठीक आहे. लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट. So this is one of the another example of ST billing, especially for the residential consumer. Earlier example we have discussed about the KVA billing. Okay, then our next part of discussion, that is metering and bill management. So before that I will suggest that you go through this MS Discom and all this, whatever information I have given you, that is from obviously from mahadiscom.in. So you will go through that Mahavitaran app, you may have Mahadiscom websites, you may have MARC websites, you may have tariff structure for the current period, that is started from 1st of April 22. So all these different types of what we can say consumers, so like this we can have. Okay, so these are references for you, you may go for more reading for the same. Then meter, that net metering, what we have, net metering is billing mechanism that credits solar or other energy system owners for electricity they add to the grid. Now we know that we are having the solar system, now it is permitted. So this is an example shown you bi-directional meter, which is enabling the net meter. So you are having the grid as well as you are having the solar generation. So this particular house is equipped with the solar generation panels. So you are having the solar system. You may have excess amount of energy generated than that of the requirement of this house, or you may have less amount of energy generated than that of the requirement of house. If you don't have the storage capacities for solar, that means if you are online and offline. So if you have online solar system, in that case you can have excess generation that can be directly fed to the grid. If you have less generation, then you can have the supply from the grid. So here you are having the meter provided, that is bi-directional meter. Normally you are having the DC, you are using this particular solar, that it is generated electricity in the form of DC, then it is converted into DC into AC, then it is fed to the load inside the house. If it is more than the requirement, then it is fed to the grid. So bi-directional meter is provided. This meter is having an ability to read plus